Hi, welcome to this demonstration of the over-voltage, under-voltage load protection project. So this is a very innovative system where we protect the load, the industrial load or any load which works on AC from over-voltage or under-voltage conditions, because these voltages can potentially damage the system. So for demonstration purposes, we are using this variable AC power supply to demonstrate the high voltage and low voltage conditions, and also the normal voltage. And then this is the project where we have 555 timers to actually sense the over voltage and under voltage conditions, and according to the lower voltage or the higher voltage, they will trip down the AC power supply and the load will not glow, and in the normal range the load will glow. So also we are using a 12 volt transformer to power up this system. So let us see how the project works. I will just increase the AC power supply, and you will see that since it is under voltage condition, the load will not glow until a certain range is reached. So now at least a certain range is reached and the project is turned on. The PCB has turned on, and as we reach to the normal AC range in which the load can work, the load will glow up. So since we had to demonstrate a range in which the load will work, so we had kept the range as 160 to the lower limit. We can set this using the potentiometer on the PCB. This is dynamic, but for demonstration purpose we have kept it as 160 volts. So now let us increase it in the normal range. So there is a certain normal range for the operation of the AC load, and as soon as we reach a certain limit, which is the higher voltage limit, the load will again turn off. So let us see how this happens. And we are approaching the higher voltage limit, and the load has turned off at 240 volts AC. So as we have seen, the normal range of operation was 150 volt to 240 volt. Below this or above this voltage, the load will not be connected to the AC mains, and hence it will be protected from the over voltage and the under voltage conditions. So this is how the project works. Thank you.